Welcome back, robot enthusiasts. The RobotDiva series is here for a new teaching month. We're going from the basics to the big leagues, learning how robots truly understand their world. You've already met our little friend, Lilybot Bathroom Buddy. We've seen how its line sensor keeps it from going off track, how its ultrasonic sensor helps it avoid obstacles, and how it responds to your voice. But what if a robot needs to know more than just what's around it? What if it needs to know what it's doing? Our bathroom buddy already sees lines and hears commands, but now let's talk body awareness for a robot. That brings us to a word, proprioception. Remember proprioception and exteroception in our earlier videos? Yes, it is the same one. Think of proprioception as a robot's sixth sense. It's the awareness of where its own body is in space. It's how you know if you're standing up straight or tilting to the side, even with your eyes closed. So how does a robot get this superpower? With an IMU, or Inertial Measurement Unit. This tiny sensor is like the robot's inner ear. It senses tilt, spin, and direction. It has two main parts, an accelerometer, which measures acceleration and gravity, and a gyroscope, which measures rotation and turning. Sometimes magnetometers are included in an IMU to help with the feeling of being lost, sometimes called the drift. The accelerometer tells the robot about its motion in a straight line or how it's being pulled by gravity. The gyroscope tells it how fast it's spinning or rotating. The magnetometer acts like a compass, telling it which way is north. By combining this data, the robot can track its own movement and maintain balance. The accelerometer feels motion, the gyroscope rotation, and the magnetometer direction. Together, they teach the robot grace. You use this technology all the time. It's what lets your smartphone screen flip when you turn it. It's how a VR headset knows where you're looking. And it's how a robot like NASA's Perseverance rover can keep its instruments level as it drives over bumpy terrain. From phones to drones to VR, IMUs keep our world steady. Balance isn't stillness. It's a continuous, dynamic conversation with gravity. For robots, that conversation happens through sensors. For us, it's through breath. Remember, stillness isn't the absence of motion. It's the harmony between awareness and adjustment. In art, in life, or in robotics, balance is about listening, responding, and finding your rhythm in the world around you. So remember, sensing isn't just about what's outside the robot, it's also about what's inside. Next week, we'll move from internal awareness to how robots use light to see and map the world. See you then.